If you're a mom who never knows what to cook, this video is for you. My biggest tip is to keep a bank of recipes. It'll allow you to always have ideas on what to cook. This is a 3-inch binder that I have with all my recipes in it that I've collected over the last 10 plus years. I did not print these out all overnight. Now that some are definitely very worn and dirty, but I keep them in the sleeve to try to protect them. Time for dinner, I just take out the recipes from my binder and then put them on the fridge so that way it's right next to the stove and I can refer back to it. Also, print out a calendar so that way you can plan what you're gonna cook for the week. Now, if you get paid bi-weekly, you can plan for 2 weeks and then do your shopping based off of that. Or you can plan out a whole month. I used to do this, but lately I've just been doing a week at a time so that way I don't get overwhelmed. You can do it online. I got these calendars for free on canva.com, or you could just print it out and fill it in as you go. Once you have like a week or 2 weeks worth of recipes, just go through the ingredient list and start adding to your smart device. I personally use this. I don't want to say her name because if you have it, I don't want to set it off. I really enjoy using this app because it already categorizes everything. Like, it keeps all the dairy products together and meat products together. It makes shopping very easy, especially for me because I get a lot of anxiety going into the store, and this makes shopping so much easier. Save this for later if you found it helpful, and be sure to follow along for more tips.